Welcome back. On the last lecture, I told you that I was going to find out why, for some reason, this here was not working. So I found out why the message, we're not getting the message category created here. And the reason is because we are redirecting twice. Every time we click on this add category, it refreshes. And then we're also refreshing again right here. So that unsets the value. So if we take that off and we come here and we say test 2, then we get that text there. Beautiful. All right. So we are done with this. And by the way, I'm always, if you find any issues, any bugs you like me to fix or want me to take a look at, go ahead, please send me a message and tell me, hey, I found a bug here. Can we fix it? Can you help me fix it? Or if you know how to do it, go ahead and fix it. All right. No application is perfect, and what makes us better developers is actually making mistakes and fixing them. All right. We as developers spend more time fixing applications than actually creating it. All right. There's a lot of demand out there for developers and for developers that can actually fix debug applications, and that's actually one of the best skills is debugging. All right, because there are a lot of developers out there that make a lot of mistakes and make crappy applications, and they hire developers like us to fix those applications and make them better. And the way we actually learn is by making mistakes ourselves and fixing them. All right, so anyway, we're done with this lecture here, and if you know, later on I'll show you how to add JavaScript to these buttons. And for those of you that took my PHP for Beginners course, you know how to do that. Those are basic stuff here, but some of you are new to this course, and you know, we'll appreciate that information. But anyway, we're done with users for now, and with categories, and we'll go to users. Take care, and I'll see you in the next lectures.